Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Akiminowa and I go by Dr. A. Thank you for watching this. I wanted to do a video just to share how we could protect ourselves during this COVID-19 pandemic period. There's a lot of panic. We don't need to panic. We need to listen to instructions. We need to listen to the recommendations by the Center for Disease Control, the CDC, and all the healthcare professionals that are on the line telling us what to do. I was able to summarize the precautions into 5 things, and I just wanted to share that. It's very easy. I'm able to talk to my patients, to young kids, and be able to talk to different people in the community using these 5 things. And those things would actually help to protect anyone during any season. So it's not just during the flu season, during the COVID-19 period. It's just something that makes sense. But more especially because of the COVID-19 pandemic, precautionary things that we need to do is 1, using the 5 fingers of the hand, something easy for us to remember. 1, wash your hands. Wash hands in between people, wash hands between patients, wash hands when you touch things, wash hands as the first thing you do in the morning, wash hands as the last thing you do in the night time. Just wash your hands. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Make sure you're getting through the creases and you're really washing your hands, not just as a ritual, but washing it judiciously. The second thing that you can do to protect yourself and protect everybody around you is to avoid touching your face and avoid touching your mouth, your lips. There's some people that are constantly rubbing the nose and rubbing their hands and all that. Because of the way this COVID-19 is spread, it is advisable that you don't touch your hands and touch your face, because then you can easily transmit it to your body and get sick. The third thing, and this applies to everything in life, is keep your immune system very strong. Sleeping well, resting well, drinking well, drinking a lot of water, a lot of fluids, eating well, eating fruits and vegetables, and just staying strong. Avoiding too much stress, avoiding too much panic, just keeping your immune system strong. That's one way you can prevent getting COVID-19. And keeping your immune system strong also includes exercises. And those are things that we always need, we know before. But then that's the third one. Now the fourth thing is to avoid being in very large crowds. And that's why the whole social distancing is very important. This is not a time to go for the big concert with 10,000 people. And it's very funny. Some people are avoiding to go to schools and avoiding to go to church, avoiding to go to places. But then they go to a store where you have almost 400 people on the line and you're still staying there. We're avoiding big crowds because there's a higher chances that there will be one person that is sick, that can, sneeze or cough into the air, or can, while sneezing or talking, you can have their droplets touching things, and then people can touch it and put it into their body. It's actually easier to spread when you have lots of people in large crowds. The countries that are trying hard to reduce the spread and that have succeeded in reducing the spread are the ones telling us what's been going on. And so this is all the social distancing, is avoiding big crowds. And CDC recommends that you should stay within 6 to 10 feet. Give yourself 6 to 10 feet between individuals, and just don't be in anybody's face at this time. The 5th one is when you're sick, stay at home. Please don't fake it and go to a place where there are other people and you cough into them, or you have a fever, you're faking it and you're not taking the necessary precautions. Call the appropriate authorities, call your clinic, go to see your doctor. Don't go to work when you're sick. Don't go to school when you're sick. So that's the 5th one. And so to summarize again, first one is wash hands. Lots of washing, hand washing. Number 2, avoid touching your face, your mouth, and fidgeting with your hands and face. Number 3, keep your immune system going very strong. Number 4, avoiding very large crowds. Number 5, when you're sick, stay at home or go to see a doctor. And stay protected until I come your way again. This is Dr. A signing off. Bye.